Afternoon and welcome to Barcelona, or Barcelona as they say here. Really beautiful in the background, walking around checking out some of these sightseeing attractions. Today I jumped on one of these hop-on hop-off buses, so they have a whole tour you can follow along and see a lot of cool stuff. But I realized after sitting on it for a while that it took longer to just sit on it than to walk, and walking is much more fun. See a lot of stuff in the background. So I'm just walking around here, and of course when you're out walking you see a lot of cool stores, so I couldn't resist to buy some ham and try it out, and also some cheese when I was walking around. And I'm gonna climb up these stairs here, show some of the backgrounds, gonna continue walking. Tonight I'm going to a wedding pre-party actually, so we'll see. Probably not gonna bring this camera, but I might show some of that in the background anyway. But now I'm gonna walk up here, see what's around. Okay, so welcome to the rooftop of the National Museum of Catalonia here. Actually, you could pay a little bit extra and get entrance to walk all the way up here, enjoy the beautiful views. But I walked around a little bit inside with the exhibitions. A lot of interesting, really beautiful art. Probably a bit too comprehensive or complicated for me to really appreciate, but a lot of beautiful paintings and a lot of suffering and pain and sacrifice, I think, was the theme for a lot of that. But really cool with the Gothic theme and also some other one. But now I'm overlooking the magical background here. Gonna see if I can get closer. Then I'm gonna go and check out some other museum, I think, but it's pretty crazy here. You can see everything and walk around on the rooftop. So I came to the Park Güell here, where you can see the Gaudi Museum. But unfortunately, it was totally booked out, so I had to book some for Sunday instead. Gonna walk here probably an hour and then have some tapas instead. A lot of active walking around, no problem. Enjoying the beautiful views here. We'll see. Gonna see you there at food. Yeah, so now I'm back here on the La Rambla street. Just had some nice tapas. I just had to have it, even though I'm gonna eat in a little bit. So I had some patatas bravas, the deep fried potatoes, and also some shrimp and garlic, or gambas as they call it here, and also some meatballs actually. But now I'm gonna head over to a bit of a wedding pre-reception here. Heard it's also gonna be a lot of good food, so we're looking forward to that. So I'm probably going to show that a little bit. I think it's going to be on a rooftop, so maybe some nice background views. I'm going to show you a little bit here. But I just wanted to share a little bit of the really beautiful background here, walking around. So I'm going to end it here. So if you want to see more, give me a like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.